I would like them to kind of broker relationships between public sector organisations so we can kind of share knowledge. I'm certainly hoping that they might be able to get a kind of a knowledge base of job templates to kind of, avoid duplication across the public sector. And I know an aspiration that a lot of us have is that CDPS can kind of facilitate a wider kind of sharing of resources across the public sector. But really at this stage, I think it's about leadership and about gaining some of this collateral and knowledge together, which can be shared kind of across the members of the group. We have got an opportunity, if we're acting as a collective, to make the messaging around what DDAT is and what careers in DDAT are, to make that messaging really, really clear. So I'd like us to adopt digital data and technology as a whole kind of a career area, and to all be using that regularly, and to kind of build the brand awareness of that with our potential applicants, but also with our existing workforces and across our existing organisation, because we know that digital data and technology transformation is going to be the key that unlocks some of the service delivery and delivers more for less in terms of kind of financial resources, which is what we're all going to need to do.